Hello, everyone. This is Jim Ogarzinski with your Week 3 lecture video. So, at this point in time, I have reviewed all the research proposals. That would be discussion board 4. I've commented on them. If there is a certain perspective or path that I think you might be interested in taking on that topic, I provided some feedback. Some commentary was a little bit more than others. If I mention, let's see where this goes, that basically would indicate that I like the direction of your particular topic in your internet sources that you provided, and I want to see how that topic develops over the next few weeks. So, time being of the essence in this short 8-week class, we're moving into chapter 2, and it's all about source information. So let me get to the week 3 chapter 2 module here. So I have all the information here about chapter 2, what sections to lock at, the discussion boards for the chapter. Also, I have provided a large section here with a variety of videos to help you research sources online and connecting you to the College of DuPage Library. Also, you can make appointments with them virtually. In the course menu here, I do have a tab for library resources and e-sources at the library. So there are a couple of videos that I suggest you watch. The database introduction and searching is a bit long. You might want to just kind of skim through that one. Google Tips is helpful, but more importantly, it gives you some of the information here, how to make an appointment and contact the library. And I make this suggestion here because the big assignment that's next, that's actually worth quite a bit of your course grade, is the annotated bibliography. So, based upon your research topic, you will put together an annotated bibliography that requires an introduction, if you read it here, a focused research question, well-crafted paragraph explaining background information and your interest on your question. And I give estimate word counts. A minimum of 6 to 8 sources, with at least 1 or 2 sources from each of the 4 categories listed below. Okay? MLA citation followed by annotation. Now that 6 to 8 sources, depending upon the sources, will be 1,500 to 2,000 words, and then you'll have a conclusion. So let me explain. Here are the 4 categories. You have to have 1 or 2 sources from Academic Search Ultimate. That's the COD library database. Could be books, it could be a collection of chapters and edited editions, scholarly, technical, or scientific articles if they're appropriate for your topic. Also, the database does carry a wide variety of magazine and newspaper articles. Okay, so that must be coming from the database. How can I tell? I'll look at the link when you complete your citation, and it'll tell me whether there's a permanent index number or if there's a EBSCOhost number from a database. Albeit this, please, you can turn around and use the library site and get your sources for free. You no need to pay out on the internet for them. Internet sources are unpublished, sponsored by organizations, business, governments, various websites and publications. Many types of internet sources are like the ones you use for the proposal assignment, discussion board 4. Multimedia sources. This category includes documentary films, 10 presentations, YouTube videos if they're significant and purposeful. So multimedia sources are definitely nowadays a very good source of information. And then I talk about living sources or field work here. A survey is what we'll work on over the semester. If you look at the back end of chapter 2 in the Curious Researcher, you will find a section on how to conduct interviews of individuals or even put together a survey. Google Forms is really great way to survey a lot of people quickly, all right? And then also we have here what's an annotation in this section here. Explains how to build an annotation, and I do have an instructional video separately for an annotation. So I provide a couple of examples. Let's see here if I can open this one up without a lot of drama. But there's always drama with Blackboard. There we go here. Alrighty, so here would be an example. Here we have an introduction. And as you see here, you have a citation and then an annotation. I'll talk more about how to put together citations and annotations as we move forward. But the purpose of this is to demonstrate what the next step is for your research topic. Here is where we really have to focus on, let me get back to the announcements here. Activities like what is a good source, and also locating some keywords in exercise 2.1 based upon your topic. So let this kind of be a guidepost to start for building that annotated bibliography. And if I were you, I would definitely begin pulling together source information and working on annotations this week. This is an extensive document if you look at the examples, and it will get away from you if you don't take some well, I should say not preventative, but also some quick action on this particular assignment. All right. So that's what I have for the lecture video this week. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.